Here's a small shift that changes everything. Stop poking the robot one prompt at a time. Start building a loop. Most of us treat Claude like a vending machine. We ask one question, grab one answer, then ask again. So you babysit every step. Type an order, wait, type the next one. It works. But wow, it's tiring. Now, picture a road trip to a town you've never seen. You don't know the streets, you just want to arrive. You could stop at every corner and ask a stranger which way, or set one destination and let it guide you. GPS does something clever. It loops. Drive a little, check if you're on track, fix the path, then repeat. You never touch the map again. The loop keeps correcting itself until, ding, you've arrived. Hands off the wheel. That self-correcting circle has a name, loop engineering. You set the goal once and the loop drives Claude there. The real tool that runs these loops is Claude Code. It works right inside your terminal, like a coding teammate. Here's its homepage, free to read, real docs, and a friendly guide to get you looping in minutes. Setup is one line, install it, type Claude, and you're in. No accounts to wrestle, no big setup. And the loop itself is just plain English. Give a goal, give a check, test must pass, and let it run. Want to try tonight? Pick one goal. Tell Claude how to check its work. Then say keep going and walk away. Enjoying this? Tap subscribe so you never miss what Cloud Adventures makes next. Stop babysitting prompts. Build loops that finish the job. For more dev tricks like this, visit Cloud Adventures.